Hello, I will be showing you how to make a railroad track. You need spruce wood, gray wool, light gray wool, and oak wood. So first,
He takes no full credit.
I said that on my last video.
I know.
So you take oak wood, set it down, and spruce wood, skip 2, oak, spruce, skip 2, oak, spruce, skip 2,
Oak spruce, yeah, we get it.
spruce. Then inside of here we make a line of gray wool. And then we do a line of light gray wool. And you should have that. And then, oh gosh, 1, 2, 3. And then you go 7 oval. We'll skip the spruce, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, then oak. And then do the same with the others. After that, so you get the gray wool, make a line. And then you get the light gray wool and do that. So that you go to any side, do spruce, oak, spruce, oak, spruce, oak, spruce, and oak. And then you have your minecart. And then you have your railroad. Oh, and I just made a new statue, and I'm thinking of making a video of it, maybe. I have my chicken. Oh, and I'm kind of thinking I will do a Neon 9 Cats statue. I made a Wither statue just today, and then after that I made another one of those. So in the description say you want to make anything, or if you want me to make a new thing, or me to make the Wither and that stuff. And subscribe about it, and bye.